ko na alam guys kung nasan tayo I don't know kung medyo lumalayo na tayo. Let's see. Feeling ko still everything is okay. Okay pa naman na lahat guys. Oh, what is this? Just here. Just around the city. I see. See that? So nandito tayo sa city guys. Sa gitna ng city mayroong ganito guys. May medicinal plant ng Chinese dito. Nice. Nice guys. See? Hey, look at that. See? Flowers. See what's that? Hindi ko alam kung anong plano ito guys, pero parang medicinal plant ng Chinese. And on the other side okay, see. They are all medicinal plants. Yung mga nandito guys. Ayan. Nice. May iba-ibang flowers pa guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. May flowers. Parang bayabas lang ito ah. So, itong trail na to ay ano kaya to? Oh, sino butterflies. Ano pa dito? Ito yun yun. Hindi ko alam saan yan pre. Hindi ko alam kung nasan tayo guys, pero ayun. Gusto kong puntahan to eh. So parang hindi nila dito sa pababaan na ito guys eh. Kasi wala na siyang paakyat eh. Tingin tayo around here. I think it's end with the